Hi everyone, Mike here with Tri-City Extreme, and today we're going to do a shot comparison between an Empire Mini and an Empire Axe 2.0. Right around 280. Now for the Axe. Right around 280 as well. I do have a decibel reader, so we can take a look at this. So that came in at 103. And that was the Axe. About the same. The Mini. The Axe. Alright, the Axe. So there you have it, just a little bit of a shot comparison between the Empire Axe 2.0 and the Empire Mini. If you're in the market for these or any other paintball gear, check out our website, Tri-City Extreme, and thanks for watching.